Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, SUI is still in this support area. We've seen today a first reaction to support and the price was trying to break out. We're going to take a look at that in a minute, but so far obviously it's still in the support area. Overall, we want to start by looking at the bigger picture first. The overall idea is still that the yellow scenario is at the moment the most likely one. It's currently preferred. It is the scenario where a wave B likely or even a wave 2, but that's, you know, even more bullish and that would need to be proven. But for now, I'm tracking a B wave low on the 5th of August, and then we say we topped in a wave 1 in August and we had a wave 2 pullback in September. We're now in a third wave, which itself should be a 5-wave pattern. We have a 1-2 setup. The third wave might have topped, fourth wave, and we could be in this fifth wave. That micro count is not so clear, okay, but the levels are what matters. Important is that circle 3 reaches $2.47 or higher. If then a pullback starts, a larger pullback, then this wave 4 should hold the 50% retracement of the third wave rally. I've already added this support area for this wave 4 and it currently is located between $1.27 and $1.44. However, at the moment the price has only reached the 123.6 extension level. That is definitely a key resistance and maybe the price gets rejected and we break down, but at the moment, you know, this is not the ideal target for a third wave. A third wave should normally reach the 138% extension or higher, okay? So that's why I'm still tracking for higher prices, but obviously the risk, you know, the air is getting thin up there and the risk is increasing. Ultimately, what matters as key takeaway is until I see a break below that lower support area at $1.26, I haven't got a clear top in place. A local top, yes, for sure, but not a major top. So let's zoom in a bit and we take a look at the structure from the high. Important, I think, is to understand that from this swing low on the 3rd of October, the price rallied in 3 waves. We've seen a wave 4 pullback, possibly in a diagonal. I highlighted to you yesterday that to keep the yellow scenario alive on the micro level, this is just a micro level, and that this is an internal wave 4 pullback. I mean, I really don't want it to go below $1.86, and that level at the moment is still holding. We could see a 5th wave from there, which could then reach the next upside level at $2.47, yeah, which would then be wave 5 of 3. The problem is that the proportions don't really look right, okay? So I'm getting concerned something different might be going on. The alternative bullish scenario would be that it's a wave 2 pullback that's unfolding right now. The problem is that in this case, white wave 1 is only a 3-wave move, which is a bit weird. Okay, it does happen, especially in diagonal. This would be wave 1 of an ending diagonal. So this would be wave 1 of 5, wave 2 of 5, wave 3 of 5, wave 4, wave 5, okay? So this would be the white count. Also here in the very short term, therefore, main takeaway is there is no major top in play, or let's say no top in place here until we break below 171. Should we break below 171 now, I would definitely get more cautious and would, however, need to see a break below $1.26 to really confirm that a larger top has formed. Clearly, it's getting more and more difficult. You see that here for the price. And whenever we get choppy price action, it can indicate exhaustion. Whenever we see choppy price action, it also makes it more difficult to interpret the microstructures. But for now, we're still forming higher highs and higher lows, but the pullbacks are getting deeper. And we have, however, some clear support levels to watch. So next support, $1.86, then $1.71, and then below that level, this lower support area between 126 and 144. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.